Upstairs neighbors want to be so loud all the time with their heavy footsteps, running around, jumping up and down, blasting music, High School Musical. Like, okay, I'm trying to study, I'm trying to get an education, and you over here stomping like Bigfoot. But now you want to be quiet now that I'm going to record you? Okay. I really did not lie about this. Like, what?
Oh yeah, Nick.
Oh, hi, Dad. I didn't know you were there.
Oh, great. Oh yeah.
I've been watching you.
Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't bring me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you.
So, I don't even know if you can hear me, but it's literally 3:30 in the morning and my fire alarm started going off in my apartment. So, I'm gonna evacuate. It is freezing cold out here. Legit so tired and cold. Hey guys, it's Jennifer and I'm gonna show you what I do every day for school. So first I get ready and then I eat breakfast and then I go to my first few periods. I get really restless since I'm sitting on the couch for like hours, so I usually just change my locations, like from my room to that egg chair thingy, and then there's me just, you know, taking notes and stuff. Honestly, I don't really work on that egg chair, I just thought it looked nice for the video. And then after school, I go to work and, you know, there's me being very productive. I also got a new plant and it's called a succulent and it's definitely not fake. Okay, bye! Hey guys, this is my old roomie, Mariana, and we're finally reunited. We got some Whataburger and she's watching her first UT football game. So excited. You just scored within the first minute. Woo!
You did. Come on.
Go home.